Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to monitor your PC's performance right from your smartphone screen using Keyboard Extension. Before you begin, pair the Keyboard Extension app for Windows with the Keyboard Extension mobile app. In the list of tools, go to the Other tab. Then open the Performance Monitor widget. It reads your PC's load in real time and displays it on the screen. Let's go over each section. At the top, you'll find information about the CPU cores. If you have more than 6 cores, as I do, just scroll through this window to see the remaining cores. Some sections display the utilization parameter at the top. It shows the load as a percentage of the maximum possible. Next, we have information about RAM. Here, you can track how much your PC is being loaded by applications, by opening and closing them and observing changes in RAM usage. Keyboard Extension transfers information from your PC to smartphone or tablet in real time, so it updates instantly. The next section tracks information about your internet connection, download and upload speeds. At the very bottom is information about your drives. As you can see, about half of my drives are currently empty. This widget is especially useful for monitoring hardware resources while running resource-intensive applications, such as games, 3D rendering software, video editors, or development environments. You can also create widgets like these on your own and customize them to suit your needs. I cover this in our lessons. Improve your interaction with your computer using Keyboard Extension.